Hari Om. Today we are going to see what science has to say about not only yoga but specifically Kundalini Yoga. There is a very interesting discussion on YouTube between Dr. N.K. Venkatraman, a neurosurgeon, and a current contemporary spiritual master, Shri M. It's interesting to see how there is a bridge between spirituality and science and how they can complement each other. The claims of Kundalini Yoga, which we have been going through, that what happens when each of the chakras open, like we came to our heart chakra, the Anahat chakra, and we said that at this point, unless you cleanse your heart of all negative emotions and specifically have love, compassion, empathy, forgiveness in your heart, the full awakening of the chakra is not possible. Now, what science says, which Dr. Venkatraman has said also in the video, which is extremely interesting, is that when you are in this state and progressing towards feeling bliss and sustained happiness with your yoga practice, besides the two chemicals, dopamine and oxytocin, there is another chemical which is released, another hormone, which was identified as late as 1990s, which they named Anandamite. Based on yoga's claim, as you progress in your yoga and you're full of compassion and love, then you experience bliss, Ananda. So they called it Anandamite. I have also written about it on page number 71, and you can read it and of course do your own exploration. But today I wanted to give this little fill up so that those who are rational, those who like to have some scientific explanation, and why not, then for them this must be interesting and very good to know that what we are talking about in yoga is also backed by science. Keep practicing, stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om, Tat Sat.